Hello, this is Jamie Magridge. Welcome to Jamie's Craft Table. Today I'm going to show you how I made this card. It's really simple stamping. I just added a few little blings. Okay, let's show the stamp sets first. I'm using Rustic Retreat. I'm using this stamp and this sentiment. And I wanted a few little berry things, so I pulled this, I think it's supposed to be the center from the Poinsettia, but I'm using this little tiny stamp here from Poinsettia Petals. Consumables, I have a 1 1/8 inch piece of Whisper White, 1 1/4 inch strip of soft suede, a 1 1/2 inch strip of Whisper White, and then I have a crumb cake card base, 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored and folded at 4 1/4. And I'm going to be stamping on this one. Inks, I have soft suede, cherry cobbler, and shaded spruce. So the first thing I'm going to do is open the shaded spruce. And with this one here, I'm going to stamp this strip. And I'm just going to start somewhere on it, stamp a branch, turn the stamp, fill in the card, and I'm going to just do this all the way down. We don't want any nakedness. Okay, that's all I'm going to do with the shaded spruce. Actually, I'm going to take this stamp. I'm going to stamp one on the inside of my card. So where do I want it? I think I want it right there. Okay. Then I'm going to come in with this little tiny berries. Well, this is a photopolymer one. And cherry cobbler ink. Close this one up. I'm going to stamp some berries. There's no right or wrong here. You just add in a little bit of added interest. Okay, I think that looks good. Okay, now I'm going to bring in my card base. Open this up, and on this side of the card, down here on this bottom area, I'm going to stamp the sentiment. I'm going to stamp the sentiment, sending warm Christmas wishes, in the soft suede ink. I'm crooked, but that's alright, it'll work. Alright, well, that's all the stamping. Okay, now I'm going to bring in my layers. I haven't opened my glue today, so I need to do that. I'm just going to glue the layer we just stamped onto the strip of the soft suede. It's going to be the same length, but it's going to have that 1/8 of an inch border because it's a 1/4 inch. Difference, or 1/8 of an inch difference. Make sure it's lined up there. Do the same here. Add this one to your white layer. Now this could get added directly to the card. I'm going to add just a tiny bit more interest. I'm going to bring in some dimensionals. I'm just going to use what's left of these. And I'm going to give myself like a 1/4 of an inch from the fold. There we go, place that down. Then I have a bow, a little red bow, metallic trim. It's going to go down here underneath my sentiment. And I'm going to bring in some of these red basic rhinestones. I'm going to add a couple of those. There we go. That's our card. It's really a very simple card. Here's the one I did previously. I didn't do this inside of this one. And I think I want to add a berry to the inside, so let's do that real fast. Just one little berry. There we go. I like that better. Okay, well thank you for joining me at Jamie's Craft Table. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope you can find a little bit of time to play with some stamps, ink, and paper.